service.
Green Eugene T. Award Certificate of Recognition for permanently exemplifying the value of service. And for achieving the best instructional materials during her final demonstration teaching at Tala High School for the academic year 2024-2025.
A certificate of recognition is given to Alex G. Cabaltica for exemplifying the mode of the value of service and the most improved